So if you've ever considered coming to Jay Cooke State Park in Minnesota, well, this video is going to show you some of the things that you can expect to see when you come here. So this is a really cool place here. It's a lake back here. Definitely reminds you of the North Shore. There's little islands all over and stuff. And this is located behind the dam. And I never knew this was here until this time. If you come here, definitely look behind the dam and you'll find this really cool spot. So the woods here, they remind me of the Forbidden Forest in Harry Potter. They are just awesome. Yeah, I really enjoy this. On a rainy day. We actually have a trip to the Black Hills coming up in a few days. So we're out here just getting some hiking in and getting ready for it because we're doing a long hike when we get there. So So we got rained out at Jay Cooke. So we came to Duluth to go to the train museum. So let's check it out. What do you think of the trains?
I think this exhibit is good.
What do you think of the trains?
Good.
So the depot is actually pretty cool. So if you're ever in Duluth, check out the depot.